Hello everyone, it's your boy Imzy, and we're back here with another banger. And today we're gonna be unboxing and testing the eMeet C970L, this new web camera that uses artificial intelligence. It has autofocus, a number of privacy, and even a little ring light feature. But yeah, let's get into this unboxing. I should also note that we're using cinematic mode. As you can see, is probably blurred around this whole bit, and that's because we're using the 13 Pro Maxes, which I unboxed in the last video, using it cinematic mode. But yeah, let's get into the video. So let me give you a quick rundown of the features that accompany this webcam while I'm trying to unbox it. It has a 3-level adjustable ring light. You know, around this camera here. It also has a electronic privacy mode function. I haven't heard of that in a webcam before. But I'm guessing that's something like, you know, them cameras or them phone covers where you can put a cover over the camera. I'm guessing it does it electronically somehow. So in case, like, I don't know, some hacker's trying to get through to your camera, or you're not sure if the site's got access to it and you don't want them to access it, then this electronic privacy mode can be activated with a gentle push on the camera, and that turns the microphone and cameras off, hardwired in. But yeah, okay. Here's the cable of it. I like this little Velcro thing to keep it more organized. That is a long ass cable. But yeah, alright, if you guys are at this point in the video, make sure to like and subscribe. You know the setting, come on. That is definitely a long ass cable. And here's the webcam itself. In the box ain't really too much to see, just a quick manual HD webcam. Let's quickly open this. So instructions on setting up the webcam, connecting it to your PC. But yeah, and here's the webcam itself. Okay, so it rotates. It's got a good range of motion there. I think we can mount this onto a tripod. Look, there's like this thing that you twist onto a tripod, I believe. That's pretty nice. Oh yeah, and look, another way to rotate your camera. But let me get my MacBook quickly and I'm gonna be back in a sec. I've got it plugged in and I need to get the eMeet link app. I can just like adjust this to leave it on my Mac, or I can see it here. But let me quickly download the eMeet app. It's said to be able to be used with live broadcast and game software. That's your PS4, PS5, YouTube, Xbox, Twitch, and even TikTok. The reviews on this seem to be pretty high, 4.5 stars out of 5. And if this works fine, I should be using this webcam when I'm streaming, not too far from now. Trying to build up my consistency in that. Okay, so while it's downloading, this is a 1080p camera, records at 60 FPS, and it also has a autofocus function. So whether it's your friends or family, or you're streaming, this will focus on you and the people that are playing. Autofocus is useful because if you're moving, then it's gonna capture your motion. It's gonna be able to focus more quickly on the picture that's at hand. We recommend that you use this with live games, important meetings, and online lectures, especially as it's 60 FPS. It'll be smoother. And the price isn't too bad. And the reviews are insane for this camera. But if you guys are interested in this, then I'll just leave a link to this in the description. I'm literally on the Amazon page now. It's pretty cool. And not too much longer before my download's finished. To show you guys a quick little something, you tap out light. That's mode 1, mode 2, and mode 3. It's actually got a bit of brightness to it. I've got like lights all around here, but just to show you, like, oh, it's off. Okay, 1, 2. How do I turn? Oh yeah, 2, 3. Okay. To show you guys, it's actually decently bright for something that small as well. It's got a bit of brightness to it, as well. This camera does also have 2 microphones, one here and one here. Let's take off this beautiful. Actually, don't want to take it off yet. Nah. Let me leave it on for a second longer. I know some of you lot that might have OCD are just gonna tell me, "Oh, take off a wrapper, MZ," but let me just leave it on for a little while longer. But yeah, I was saying that it's got 2 noise reduction microphones, one on the right, one on the left. And the company said that if you're in a loud environment, maybe at a coffee shop and there's pedestrians walking around, there's people talking, the dual noise reduction microphones will help you be able to be heard more clearly. Your voice is clearer and more succinct. And I guess 2 microphones will help with that. Should be fairly directional, coming at where the camera is pointing, which is good. Okay, so we've got the application downloaded. Is it open? Don't warn me. Okay. Oh, I think it's recognized the device already. And from this app, you should be able to update it or do whatever you need to do. Oh, okay. Alright, guys, look. It's you guys, look. Yeah, see, that's you. My room is quite messy, so I've got to be careful. That is actually so cool. Oh, look, it's focusing. Oh my gosh, wait, look at the blur in the background. That's sick, look. It actually does blur the background out slightly. This camera is so cool. Okay, how do I make it? Okay, now it's focused on, look, you see that? It's focused on the Mac itself. You guys can see that. And it's blurred in the background right there. You focus it, it will focus. Boom. That'd be nice. It's clean as this. So adjust the lighting, let's go. 1, 2, 3. You see, even though I've got a ring light here, I've got a ring light there. This ring light still brightens up my face, look. That just shows how bright it is. The exposure, let me quickly fiddle with that. So if I turn the exposure down, it should be quite a bit darker. It's on auto right now. Okay, yeah, that's quite a bit darker. Oh, and that's a ton of exposure, look. The lights are completely gone. Put it to auto. Yeah, oh wait, auto. Yeah, now it's alright still. Settings. That's a privacy filter. The privacy protection. That's a sick bit. So I'll quickly put it down to low resolution. Low resolution, still got a lot of detail. But for the most part, most people are going to be using this at 1080p. Right now it's at 50 frames per second at 50 Hz. Let's put it to 60 FPS, 60 Hz. Yeah, that's smooth. That is very smooth. But yeah, so that's it for this camera. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Be sure to like and subscribe to the channel if you lots haven't already. And yeah, peace. I'll be making more videos more consistently now. I almost forgot. Oh, not this light again. I can't even take off a wrapper properly. Yeah, satisfying.